This is a 2013 Mercedes GLK350, which is similar to some other years. We are going to show you how to remove the radio, navigation, CD player. The tools that you need is this size T20 Torx screwdriver, and then a couple of these dashboard removal tool, and the two flat small screwdriver. The first step, you need to pop up this the push button for the start. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. As you can see, this is the back of the button. It just pop out. And then you need to rotate the rings around it counterclockwise. We use the two small flat screwdriver, but usually some people, they might have special tools for it. You just keep rotating it toward counterclockwise and the ring come out. And here it shows the ring, and this is how the threads are in the back. And now we are going to remove the air conditioning vent, the cover assembly. In order to do that, we need to remove the side cover, and then to get the side cover out, you have to pull this rubber molding forward a little bit, and then use your dashboard removal tool to pop up the side panel. And then there is a screw size T20 Torx, which you need to remove. And once you get this one out, and then you will be able to remove the whole the panel for the AC control vent out. You just need to insert your dashboard removal tool underneath the panel, because there are clips in there, and then you can remove the whole. I'll show you where the panels are, and then you just disconnect this connector too, just only as one connector. And then as you see, these are the location of the clips. So when you insert your dashboard removal tool, you just put it close to these clips, and then you pry it out. Now in the next step, for that there is a trim around the AC control. You need to pop that one out. And then there are size T20 screws underneath, which you need to remove. And once you get it out, you can remove the whole AC control. And just leave it on the side. And the reason we do this one, so we can insert our hand behind the radio and then just force it out. But before we do that, there are two mounting screws for the radio, which is inside the air conditioning vent. It's all the way on the bottom. One on the driver's side and then one on the passenger side. You do not need to remove these screws. You just have to counterclockwise loosen the screws all the way, and basically is the mounting assembly for the radio get dislodged, and then you can insert your hand under the radio and then push it forward. And these are all the connectors and the back of the unit, which you need to disconnect. And when you want to install back the radio, you have to make sure there are two mounting brackets, one on each side. It has to be in the forward position, and then you can insert the radio into. Otherwise, if it's in the back position, you cannot just insert the radio in there. So you have to make sure insert your hand in there and push this lever forward, and you do the same thing on the passenger side. You pull it forward, and then you can insert the radio into the cavity. And also make sure on this wire for the switches in the front, when you install it, it wouldn't go under the radio. It will stay on the side of the radio, so it won't cause any shortage. And if you need any repair for this, the radio, command unit, CD player, navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.